drink.
Girl, I am drinking. This is strong.
Hi guys, it's the Sincerely Asia.
Are you recording?
Welcome to my.
Wow. You're trying to beat me to the chase.
I'm not. You stalled.
I was not stalling. I was trying to set my camera equipment.
And you're babysitting your drink as well, but that's neither here nor there.
I had way more than you, Asia. Let's not get.
Have you really?
I did.
We've had almost the same amount. You've had a little bit more hard liquor than me, but I've had more wine than you.
Hard liquor obviously is harder. This reminds me of Shrek. Not the gumdrop button. You don't remember that scene? You know that's my favorite movie.
Shrek?
Yeah.
I didn't know
I know
that.
the entire movie. I literally know all of it.
Why do you know the entirety of Shrek?
Because I watched
I like grown-up movies.
Excuse me.
I mean, not that Shrek is not.
I don't appreciate there's adult humor in Shrek.
Not that Shrek is not a grown-up movie. I mean, like non-cartoons. Like,
what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is probably like Love Jones. And what other movies? I really like Time Traveler's Wife. I really like romantic movies.
Did you like The Notebook?
I like The Notebook, but like I feel like it's overhyped. Yeah, I feel like
I was crying the entire.
I cried the entire movie.
It was too much, honestly.
I cry when they break up, and then I when they die together.
Are you supposed to do
But
this
I would be down to die with my spouse. Like I
On
want to die at the
Titanic?
same time. No, they didn't die at the same time in Titanic. Rose basically killed him.
She did. She could have.
She was a selfish girl.
She could.
They did the dimensions.
I think we're supposed to perform this on the cardboard, right? Because it's supposed to snow.
Yeah.
That's why it's white. Okay.
I was very nervous that I was going to open one of these and they were going to be cracked. So
Am I
really
supposed to
appreciate
break
it.
this?
Are you? Look at the instructions. I don't think so.
No.
Maybe.
No, it does.
It says break
7
it.
pieces.
Will they break? Oh! I was scared.
I was scared too, child. Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
I just need regular wine. I can't do this no more.
Yeah, I don't know why you chose that balance against yourself.
Because wine has a lot of calories.
If
On
we
Monday,
sober up,
Monday's
if we
Wednesday.
sober up tonight, we can go to Howard's and you can sweat it all out in like 10 minutes.
In the morning?
No, tonight. It's 24 hours.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
You know all the directions. Bake.
Bake?
Oh, it says base.
Oh, I was gonna say, this came pre-done. I specifically.
Okay, so basically I just need
This
to
is
do.
my roof. Where are my sides though? I'm not understanding.
You're supposed to
I feel
break
like
them.
I'm missing pieces.
1, 2. How many does it say? You have. That's 2, 4. So you have 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have all the pieces.
But I'm saying,
It
where's
says
my
it.
roof?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Wow.
Well, this is my roof.
Okay.
It
That's
says-
very selfish.
The roof. This is the roof.
But when okay, then where are the sides?
It's supposed to. This is the side. No.
No, you just said that's the roof. Am I missing something?
Okay, so it says you're gonna put it on these things. Then you're gonna. Oh, flip this up.
What does that change? What does that change, Taylor?
It's not directly. It's not on the entire thing. You see how it's like some left off.
Oh,
So you're gonna have to measure that out yourself. You have to measure it out like this.
I got a baby house.
Yeah, you do. Let me leave this here for you. There you go. Twizzlers sponsor us. Don't forget to glue your base down.
To the.
Yeah, so it doesn't.
Okay.
But I'm just trying to figure out, is this gonna pop open?
No, I think you gotta cut the tip.
Oh, I do.
That was aggressive.
Just need a little swizzle. Wow, this is very difficult.
Yeah.
Should I have made it bigger?
I don't know. Should I? Because this is very okay.
This is not happening.
It's like you have more detailed instructions than me. I don't like that.
We literally have the same exact instructions.
No, you got lines to follow and stuff over there. I don't have that.
That's why I'm a beginner. And you're advanced. Doesn't it make it seem the same thing happened to me? And I was like, is this all ice? Okay. I literally thought the same thing. It's okay.
Okay. This would always be the problem I'll be having. How do y'all be making this thing stand up?
I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, is this gonna really hold together?
Because it never holds together.
What? What's that?
My little tip that I got.
This house is not.
Penelope's probably gonna choke on later.
This house. Why would they put the lines here if they didn't really mean it? This is not what it's supposed to be.
How are you getting yours to stand up?
You need more icing.
But then how am I decorate?
In the words of Shrek, more heat, less foam. With a gingerbread cookie. It's because you don't watch it as much as I do.
You just be watching it for fun.
Y'all, when I tell you Shrek is my favorite movie.
Does Aspen know this?
He knows. He knows.
He be watching it?
He watched it with me.
He found it entertaining?
I don't know if he did, but it's the support that matters the most.
Yeah. Alright. I feel like I just need... No. Stop.
What?
It's trying to follow. I feel like I would have struggled just as much if I was sober. So, that's a plus.
I just want this to stay together.
Alright. Wow. I feel really accomplished.
You should. Now it's this it's this roof that's gonna set it off.
I'm gonna do this.
That's not secure.
Okay.
There's barely any icing right there.
It fell.
It was giving tornado. It was giving earthquake. It was coming.
You're making me nervous.
It was giving unstable foundation.
Did you do one at a time?
I did them both together so it doesn't crumble. Hurry up. And then press them together. That's cute.
If Vlogmas is skipped today, it's because I got too under the influence. So there's that.
You're posting this tonight?
I was gonna try, but it's.
You can do it because honestly, I can just sit at Hotworks and sweat this out. I brought my sweating waist trainer too.
Ooh.
Along with my belly cream. You want to use some?
Okay.
It makes your stomach really hot.
Every single time I try something workout with you, my body literally feels like it's gonna
in the car. Yo, Aisha tried some pre-workout with me and Barmel, and she was tingling for like a really long
2
time.
hours. I had never tried pre-workout before, and I thought I was gonna die. I felt like the skin, my body was trying to come out of my skin.
Wow, that sounds like juice. Oh my god.
That's what you get, and I'm not editing out your snort.
Stop. Don't do this to me. Okay, so they made little. Look at this.
But I bought extra candy so that we can.
Theirs looks so good.
They had way more icing than ours.
And they had different tubes because there's no way. I'm gonna try to do that though. You think I can do it?
I think you can do anything you put your mind to. Let me turn mine around so I can see this. Okay. I'm gonna really get in my bag. How long do you think that we'll be influencers? Like when do you think we'll retire and be like, I'm tired of posting on the internet and live a private life?
I don't know. As soon as possible.
Hello?
These are very hard to keep hold of.
Oh my gosh, you're going so fast.
You're going so slow. It took you so long to put that one Twizzler on.
That door in the front was kicking my butt, man. And I'm trying to be more sparing with my ice cream. I mean, the stuff.
The icing.
Yeah.
Well, the front of my house looks bad. I don't know what happened, but something's melting off. This is just going to be the back. This is going to be the front.
Aspen just kind of showed up out of nowhere, though.
He did.
I love that for you.
Thanks. Me too. Oh my god. It was so unexpected.
We were not, yeah, I was just about to
over
say
it.
we were not expecting him at all.
I was not even, I was over being in like, talking to guys, to be honest. No, I just was like, in a point where I was just like, I'm just over it.
That's how I felt too. After what's his face.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going a little off the grid. I don't know what they're talking about, but I'm making my own thing over here.
Me too. Hope it's all stay together. Because you know, at the end is when everything
At
starts
the end is when it all falls apart.
But I think we're adults now. So it's going to do what it's supposed to do.
You're definitely going to beat me. I can see yours now. You're definitely going to win. That's crazy.
How am I going to win?
But you came in my own house. Yours is prettier than mine.
I mean, yours is coming together.
Barely.
Just keep holding on.
What a good friend. Knowing that I'm not going to win. Still encouraging me.
Hey. So I was calling to show you.
Turn this down a bit.
Oh, everything he does is so sweet. Let me turn it down so I can hear you better.
It's Asia. So look at my gingerbread house. Hold on. We're making gingerbread houses.
Wow.
Isn't this cute?
Oh, that's like a real cookie? Like,
Yeah, it's a real gingerbread house.
It's a real
okay,
gingerbread
yeah,
house.
Okay, that's what's up.
Asia's not done, so I won't show you hers. I'll show you hers.
She beat me
After.
though. It's fine. She's beat me.
Anyways, that's all.
Are you feeling better?
Yeah, day by day, but a lot better. Thanks to the person on the phone.
Are you? Oh yeah, she's really been homemaker over there. I love that for her.
I said
Hey, she's been an angel. She's been every great thing. Trust me, I'm grateful for her.
It's so annoying because like, why are you so perfect? It's actually getting aggravating. We have nothing to say about you in the group chat. What's going on?
Just trying to reflect that. She
What is it? My God!
that's why y'all friends. You already know she's a person. So.
You haven't seen her hungry side yet.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes I have.
Yeah!
Okay. It gets real mean.
He has.
You get so hungry, and it happens so fast. That's really the problem. If you had more of like a gradual, if she had like a gradual ease into being hungry, that would make sense. But it literally goes from Taylor being completely fine and happy to her being really angry and hungry, and it's like
angry.
you gave us no time to like try to rectify the situation. Like I could have got you a snack. I'm prepared.
Aspen, whose side are you on?
I'm just telling the truth though.
Where did you get him from? Are there more sold on Amazon? What do you mean?
You said, hold on, you said light skin?
I said he's also light skinned, which is like, you know.
That's what I'm saying. What does that mean though?
Just means, you know, he's you know, a little undercooked, possibly. Light skinned people are the people that God took out of the oven early on accident.
Shut up.
I don't know what's going on the other side of your house.
It's looking good. It's looking real good.
No, I'm saying on the other side.
Oh, that's the back. I didn't show you the back.
Something. I'll
show you the back.
Not you only showed him your good work.
It does not look good.
You're not drunk enough. Finish the wine.
I told Asia I'm not getting drunk.
But here she is.
But
Time to finish. Come on. Cheers.
it's just wine. It's 7% wine.
Cheers. Cheers.
Aspen doesn't like
Cheers.
it
He doesn't like it because what?
because he feel like I be leaving him out.
See, I didn't say that. She said that.
I feel like can I use these?
Yeah. You want more? I feel like I'm done.
Well, I'm almost done. I just have to do my door, but
I'm not doing this door. I just
It's
couldn't.
still daylight there right now?
No, mine's done too.
Okay.
Not you doing more stuff. What the
I
fuck
gotta
is
throw
this
some
like?
on here.
You're doing too much. Dang, Taylor.
Anyways,
Not anyways. It's only my. I'm just trying to. You always have to be such an overachiever.
okay, I'm done now.
Are you really? Because you said that
I have to
20
fill in
minutes
some
ago.
sparse areas.
There was no sparse areas.
Okay, now.
Out of the kindness of my heart, I let you use my Christmas lights, and you wanted to just go Oh, ow. Oh, you mean obviously?
Because I clearly won the gingerbread competition.
You're.
Mine looks way better than yours.
I don't like your.
Anyways.
Listen,
so,
this is the front.
This is hers. Yours actually looks cute.
This is the front. It's a pretty close call. Nia has to have the first baby. I just feel like I needed to win because I can't have the first baby of the group because it's too expected.
It is too expected for Asia.
It's too on brand. I need to go against the grain a little bit.
You know what I said?
Okay, so they voted that it was a tie. So we need.
It was not a tie.
It was a tie. Her original vote was that I won.
No, y'all.
So
Tell the camera
it's
because it's lying.
It's 2-2.
The right one. She said it's a tie. When you get a tie from? You must have
But no, Cliff voted for me. The couple voted for me. They voted for the Twizzler side.
Alright. I gotta get ready for this call. Okay.
Oh yes, you get ready for that call.
Okay, bye guys. We're gonna call somebody to break the tie.
It's just want Aspen back.
No, he's biased.
He's not biased.
Which one looks better? Which one looks better? Baby, which one looks better? Yeah. One. It's straight.
They're both cute though. Mine is very sloppy. I wish the icing wasn't so messy.
Okay, I'm gonna ask them. This gives me very much the. He said they're close.
That's what he said. He's so smart.
He knows.
Let me help you because.
Dang! It be your own boyfriend! It be your own boyfriend. So you guys.
Yes, these are the final results.
These are the final results. This is Tay's. This is mine. Tay won by 2 votes, whatever.
It was 5. I want my landslide.
You did not win by a landslide. Cliff and his girl voted for me.
2 out of 7. It was 2 out of 7.
Let it be known, my boyfriend said it was very, very close. He said it was close. For his words.
Next activity.